Hi everyone, it's Maggie, and I'm here to share a design team project with you. I made some little gift bags, and I'm calling them Bling bags because I used a lot of the new bling that is in the store right now. And so I will show you this first one. And I made these out of, I don't know if you can tell, looking at my camera, it's hard for me to tell, but these are actually pink, a very light pink. It was a napkin, and it was a large one, so I was able to cut it up and make bags out of them. So here's the first one, and I used this image, and it's on silk, and this is one of the new KS4U trims. It's got little, I don't know if they're acrylic or not, but the little roses in between. And I know there's either a lighter version or a darker version. And the lighter version, Julie sold out of, but there is the darker version left. So, excuse me, here's another KS4U trim on the top, and this here I closed it. It's a pin and it closes, so I didn't use a closure like this one because of the pin. So let me take the pin out, and this isn't a new bling piece, but they are still in the store, pink and clear rhinestones in the shape of a heart. And then here's another piece. This is a very light blue, and I think it's almost like an enamel, and it's got the little tiny rhinestones in there. And I just made up some flowers from my some of my KS4U trims, and my little clay flowers. So that's the first one, and you can see it opens up. And the other reason I'm calling it bling bags is because when I use these for some happy mail, then I will be putting some bling in here. So that's another reason to call it that. So that's the first one. And then here's the next one. And these three images are from a series that I found on Pinterest, and I had printed them on silk. So this is the second one, and this is tied with some seam binding. So let me undo that. And what I did was I used the seam binding. Now this is a new piece, I'm pretty sure, and it's a ribbon slider, I think they're called. Now I did attach it so that it wouldn't keep moving around, but whoever receives it, they can always take it off if they want. And so I just went around with this little trim here that everybody knows. Now, I think Julie has it in this color now. I know she has it or had it in pink. Pink flowers, but I'm pretty sure she has this also. And again, I just made some more of my little flowers for the bottom. I used some little dangles. This is, they're all from KS4U on different little trims. And I just made layered flowers from little appliques that I took off of the trims. And this has a rhinestone button from my stash. This is a piece, it's a trim, and that's from my stash, and of course my clay flowers. And I love this ribbon slider, it's so pretty. And then again, I'll just put some bling in it and then just tie it on the side over here. I'm not much of a sewer, so you're not going to ever see anything like really intricate from me, but I can do the simple stuff. So there's the second one. And then, whoops, this is the third one. And again, this is definitely a new piece, and I used it as a slider. I think it is a slider. You just don't see like on this piece, how you can see where it slides through. So let me undo this one. And again, I just attached it at the top and the bottom. Here's the other image I used. And this is from my stash, the dark purple flowers. They're like this one here. And I'm pretty sure Olivia sent me that. And then I used this applique down here that I cut off of. It was a large bow, and I'm not sure if it's KS4U or not. And I just cut out the smaller part of the bow, and then I added my tiny little pearls to each one of these little dangles. And then again, these are from KS4U trims, except for the rhinestones and the clay flower. So that's it. These are my little bling bags made from a napkin. I hope you like them. I think they're really cute, and I think it'll be fun for whoever sometime in the future receives one and opens it up to find a bling piece in there. So, if you'd like, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And as always, the links to the stores, the web store and the Zibbet store will be in the description box. Julie has new stuff she is trying to put in all the time when she has the time, but her first priority is filling orders. So it might take a little while longer to, for the new stuff to get in there. But it's there, and I hope you'll go take a look and see what's in the store. So I will be back again soon with another project. Bye for now.